Hello, my friend. Haven't seen you in a while. Here, eat this up. What the heck? Is that a ghost? They say something supernatural is happening with this mirror. Well, let's find out. Well, hi guys. They say this thing's haunted, so I'll check it out. If it really is. Oh my god! And the toy has scissors. Wait, scissors? Happy now, stupid? Oh, you want more? Okay. Oculus, what's your worst nightmare?